I'm formulating a real leave-in conditioner from scratch using powerful natural ingredients. Not a quick DIY, but a formulation designed to moisturize, soften, and detangle your hair. We're going to start making the leave-in conditioner. We have here the Fenugreek infusion.
A few moments later.
And then we have here flaxseed gel. This leave-in conditioner will be a mixture of detangling properties and moisturizing properties. And then we have flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is an amazing detangler. It conditions, hydrates, defines, and reduces frizz. And it also strengthens the hair, causing less breakage. And then we just mix. And our water phase is done. Let's put this to the side and move to the next phase. We'll start with cocoa butter. Cocoa butter just smells so nice, which is a plus. Then we're going to add macadamium oil. And then of course we need a emulsifier. Emulsifier will combine both the water and the oil, because we know that oil and water do not mix. So we need something to combine to mix them together. The last ingredient for the oil phase is broccoli seed oil. This acts like a natural silicone. I know there is the whole thing using silicone, not using silicone. Some people like it, some people don't. Personally, I prefer to use natural ingredients on my hair. So I try to use natural ingredients that can mimic those synthetic ingredients. Water phase and oil phase are now ready. While the oil phase and the water phase are in the water bath, I'm going to move to the other ingredients. Now I'm adding vegetable glycerin, and vegetable glycerin is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air to hydrate, soften, and seal the moisture into the hair shaft. Now we're going to combine both faces together. And mix. It smells so lovely. I can really smell the cocoa butter. And while it's still a bit warm, we can add the glycerin and the gum. Let's move to the cool down phase. And in case you haven't realized, I'm making a flaxseed and fenugreek leave-in conditioner. The best way to apply it is on damp hair. And normally I like to add herbal hair tea first. or finish my wash day with a herbal hair rinse, and then I add the leave-in condition, and then you follow up with a hair butter or hair grease or oil to seal in all the moisture and all the hydration. Should be used on your wash day, and then when you re-moisturize your hair. Normally people tend to re-moisturize their hair every 2 to 3 days. It depends on how long your moisture cycle is. And I will add a preservative to this product, but first you have to check the pH to see if it's within the range, and then we'll add a preservative. When you make hair products, and if you're not using them straight away, you need to add a preservative. Nowadays there is natural preservatives in the market, so you can buy it, or nature identical preservatives. The one I like to use a lot is preservative Eco, and is an amazing preservative. Ooh, the consistency of this leave-in conditioner. Woo. And I can see this would be an amazing product to detangle the hair as well, because of the fenugreek and flaxseed that added that mucilage to the product. Look at it. Look at it. And I'll just quickly check the pH off camera. But look. Ooh. The pH of the product was fine, and now we add the preservative. I will check the preservative one more time, because the preservative can alter the final pH of the product. So I will check once again. If you are wondering, yes, the preservative decreased the pH of the product, so I had to add a special ingredient to increase the pH of the product. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.